I picked this up the other day at a garage sale. For years I've thought, well, if I can get my hands on one, it would make a really fun, well, kind of silly, but fun pedal build. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, I spent a bit of time thinking about what effect to put in this crazy build, and I just kept coming back to the classic Big Muff circuit. The main mod is this three-way switch. This will control the mid voicing of the pedal.